Good morning. Happy birthday to everyone with a birthday today. I'm using up some of the colors from the mint julep. And today I'm using these really cute, they sweet. They're just silicone egg cookers or pancake if you want. You can make little pancakes. And I'm trying out a new paint. It's a washable glitter paint. Bought like these off of Amazon. And I'm going to place the paint into each ring. I don't really have a plan, but I have also now this milk frother device. I'll show you the packaging. I bought this at my grocery store. I always walk down the baking aisle, see what they have, try out new things. Alright, so I have the white, the green, the blue I've mixed with Deco Art pouring medium, and I have beige. So I'm going to put drops of white in there, maybe a little bit more. I'm going to add brown, the blue glitter paint, green on top. It's very watery. What happened there? And I guess some beige. And then in the middle here we need some color. Beige, some more green, and a little bit of the blue just to cover that gap, but I'm sure it'll cover up. And I'm going to drop silicone. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And white around, save some of the white. I'm just going to turn this on. I just want to try this. I think it's too powerful, but let's see. And just do it quick like that. That one real, oh, that's kind of neat. It got a little mixed there, but oh, that's a pretty aqua. So what I do to clean this, I just take it in the little water and I just swirl it, and then it cleans real good. I'm just going to take these off like that. Just pick them up. Now I'm going to swirl this around. Not sure what this is here. I'm just going to take my finger. And I'm finding that I'm having too much paint on my canvases, and it's actually cracking a little bit. Let's just put that down. I see the glitter appearing. It's very interesting painting. I really, at the top here, I love that greenish, it's more of a green aqua. That mixed really pretty with the brown. So let me just wipe my hands off a little bit and see what I have here. Let's turn it. See the candle. Just want to pick it up. I want to get some of this white off. I have to move the candle. Just 1 minute. Okay, let's look at the sides. See if the paint covered. If not, I'll take my spoon straw that I use and drip some white over the edges. And of course, let's torch. Right up here at the top, as you can see, that is so pretty, the colors. All right, that's it. I really like this. It's so different. It has a lot of cells coming up, and I think it won't be real thick. Like, I'm getting that cracking in the paintings as they dry, and I might be able to remedy it with a coating of resin. But this one is really pretty. I still have paint left over, so maybe I'll do another one. Really pretty. I love it. Maybe I'll do a snow cone pour. Thanks for watching, guys. This is just an extra painting. Next week, I'll be doing the number 19 and 20 paintings in memory of Abby and Libby. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.